Raghu Dixit is on stage and he's performing to an audience who are absolutely loving him. He's looking fantastic in his lungi as well. For the moment, you people go and take a look at Jigri. This is Vimlendu's band. Vimlendu, in fact, is responsible for organizing this entire Yamuna Utsav here at the Habitat Center. And Jigri is primarily an environment-friendly band, and they too have a message for Metro Nation audience.
Jigri came about on the streets. We used to really sing for different causes like Narmada Bachao Andolan.
Especially all the damage that we are doing to environment को जिस तरह से हम लोग सारा ख़राब कर रहे हैं अपनी नदी को जो कि हमारी एक विरासत में हमें मिली है उसको हमने किस तरह से बिल्कुल ख़राब कर दिया है और किस तरह से हम आने वाली एक पीढ़ी को कुछ भी नहीं देके जाने वाले हैं और it will be a dead river, it will be a dead town.
Maybe this thing about choosing a theme doesn't sound right. What I would try to say here is that environment is not a theme for us because environment is everything.
Most of the time we don't need a stage. Most of our concerts are amongst people without really any taam-jham of stage and sound.
Because music is something that you would like to listen to and it's not a boring speech, that's why it becomes so different. So we've sung in colleges, we've sung on the streets, we've sung for children, we've sung for adults.
We have had a very, very phenomenal response from schools, from children who we have brought down to this very place. People, kids who have never ever touched this water, who have never ever come and see how these people live. They have stories to tell once they come and experience it first time.
What I feel that environment is the most important part of life. Without environment, we won't be able to survive.
All biggest revolutions in the world start with a very small idea.
Jigri means environment, Jigri means music.
नदी मुझको ये बता तू मेरी या मैं तेरा क्यों है धार में कमी और पानी नहीं क्यों है आँख में नमी पर आंसू नहीं ऐ नदी ऐ नदी ऐ नदी गीतों का मतलब क्या है उलझनों का मकसद क्या है कम सी गई है धुन मेरी बोलो कौन सी वो धरती है कौन सा वो जंगल है जो के रहा है दिन नदी हमने यूं शहर है गोला तुझ में क्यों मेरे बाप का डहे तू बोझा क्यों मेरे पुण्य का डहे तू बोझा क्यों बोलो है मेरी नदी क्या हूँ मैं ना सही बोलो है मेरी नदी है किसकी गलती है नदी है नदी है नदी मुझको ये बता तू मेरी या मैं तेरा है नदी मुझको ये बता तू मेरी या मैं तेरा
I'm with Valentine Shipley, Rahul Ram and